Good morning to you, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Can you believe St. Patrick's Day is 2 days away? It's upon us. So today I'm going to share with all y'all an amazing dessert that'll be perfect for St. Patrick's Day or any time of the year. We're going to make mint chocolate gooey butter cake. How yummy does that sound? And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. If y'all a fan of chocolate and mint, y'all gonna enjoy this cake. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other gooey butter cake recipes and my previous video, homemade funnel cakes. I'll post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your chocolate cake mix, your cream cheese, and your peppermint extract sugar, because we're about to bake some mint chocolate gooey butter cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our crust. In my bowl, I have one package of chocolate cake mix. I'm using the devil's food, or you can use any kind of chocolate fudge, milk chocolate, whatever your heart desire. And into our cake mix, we're going to add in 1 stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter that melted and cooled, and 1 extra large egg at room temperature. And we're going to mix all these ingredients together on medium speed until they're well combined and thick. Alright, my friends, this is what our crust looks like. See how nice and thick that is? That looks great. Now we're ready to put it into our pan. We're going to put it in a 9 by 13 inch baking pan that I greased with cooking spray. And we're going to take the crust and we're going to flatten it like so. I'm going to get the sides and the edges. Press it down. Then I have a little bit of melted butter. I'm just going to use that so it can be nice and moist. So now we're going to set the crust aside while we work on the best part, the filling. And we're just going to make the filling using the same bowl that we baked the crust. No need to wash the bowl or the beaters. We're going to use it just like it is. So I have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that let come to room temperature. And into our cream cheese, we're going to add in 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar that's sifted, or you can whisk it. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. We're going to start on low so that way I won't get powdered sugar all over the table. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs. And another stick of butter that I've melted and cooled. And I increased my speed to medium. Next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1.5 teaspoons of pure peppermint extract. We're going to mix all these together until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, this is what our batter looks like, nice and smooth. Beautiful and silky. Can smell the peppermint extract. Smells wonderful. Alright, there's one more thing we got to add to it. We're going to add in a few drops of green food coloring. Going to mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, and just that quickly, our filling is complete. Look at this beautiful green filling. And that's the beauty of gooey butter cakes. They are so simple, easy, and tasty. Alright, perfect. Now we're ready to pour it into our prepared crust. Alright, so now I'm going to spread it all over. Make sure the filling gets on the sides. Okie doke, now ready to put our gooey butter cake in the oven. We're going to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 45 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Mint chocolate gooey butter cake. Doesn't that look good? It smells heavenly. Nothing like the smell of chocolate and mint. One of my favorite combinations. Alright, so now I just taken it out of the oven. Gonna let it cool completely. And then I'll cut them into squares. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I've fixed me up a plate. And I'm serving it with some whipped cream. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. It's chewy. It's gooey. I can taste the peppermint. Refreshing. And the crust is nice and chocolatey. This is one amazing dessert. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Mint chocolate gooey butter cake delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, stay safe, and happy St. Patrick's Day.